These mojarras fritas are super yummy and simple to make. After washing them, let's dry them up to begin seasoning them. Once the mojarras are dried, we'll sprinkle some seasoning. Here we used lemon pepper and Old Bay seasoning. Now we are going to fill the inside with some garlic. This step is optional. While the oil heats up, let's add flour onto the mojarras so they won't stick onto the pan. We are also going to make a chile de molcajete. To see the full recipe for this chile, check the link in the description. Let's prepare our plate with some Mexican rice, the mojarra frita, some frijoles, chile de molcajete, squeeze some lime, and of course, some tortillas. I hope you try out this recipe and enjoy it like my family did. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy homemade recipes.